Man, so it's been at least a month since I last posted on the Vermin vlog, and yeah, it's not like I haven't been trying. Frankly, the bite just shut down around here. When I first started the vlog, man, I was catching rats and mice every day, and I thought I'd have enough material for a weekly video, but I guess that's not the case. And I guess just like fishing, when the seasons change, you know, the bite can change too, and maybe, you know, the rodents kind of pass in and out of this area. Maybe they got smart, stopped coming. But I did have my cameras out. I was running those cameras all day, all night, 24/7. Again, I used 2 night vision motion activated cameras, and man, I was filling up SD cards with activity, and the rats are definitely still there. Not as plentiful as in the summertime, but they're definitely there. They would come up within 18, 12 inches of the traps, and for whatever reason, get spooked. I mean, I have footage of them kind of sniffing the air, getting a sense of what's in the traps, and then walking away, which is interesting because I'm still using the same peanut butter that I used all summer that I filmed the first like 10 videos with, and for whatever reason they weren't biting. So just like fishing, I changed my tactics and I changed up my presentation. So instead of peanut butter, I switched it out to mozzarella cheese sticks. So yeah, I robbed the kids section of the refrigerator for some, you know, string cheese basically, took little chunks, put it in the bait traps, and man, maybe that'll make the difference. Let's check it out. And sure enough, there you have it. Proof that rats still exist in my area, at least in the fall. And it took a bait change to get them. These are 2 big brown rats. I think these rats originated from Norway, or at least that's where the species started. They get really big. I think they're easily the biggest vermin, short of opossums, that live out here. But, you know, just like the jungle, you know, the biggest vermin wins, and opossums proved to be the kings of this jungle out here. Interesting to see that this one annihilated, this one not so much. So if you do get squeamish, maybe this channel isn't for you, but the reality is these rats exist out here, and especially as the weather drops, they tend to move inward. They tend to come to the house seeking shelter, and eventually they get into our living spaces. That's just the nature of where we live, and so I do what I can to stem the population outside. So there you have it. Where peanut butter failed, mozzarella saved the day.